Hey there, it's Eugene Sheely. I want to do a video today about the exporting information from Zoho, from your CRM. So there's pretty much two options as far as I know of. There might be something else you can do in the actual modules. I know other CRMs, HubSpot, Insightly, for example. You can do some info from there, but as far as I know for Zoho, there's only these two options to extract or export the information. The export data module is pretty useless if you have more than 3,000 records. The reason for that is that it will only give you the first 3,000 records available. So say, for example, if I want to do accounts or contacts and I have, say, 30,000 or more, that's pointless. I'm only going to get the first 3,000, and that's going to be useless information. So this is not helpful. Again, there might be a way you can filter it out, which you can do in other CRMs, but as far as I know, you cannot do this through the CRM. The other option is doing a data backup. So the data backup is going to give you all the information in the CRM, and that's accounts, leads, contacts, etc., deals, what have you. And from this, you can filter out information and get what you want. So this is pretty useful, but the problem with that is that you only get 2 per month unless you pay $10 per added export. From those 2, unless the number had changed, but that's the last time I checked. Which I'm not going to do. I'm not going to be paying $10 to get my information every time. So I still do these backups. Yes, to store the information. Yes, in case something happens. Or I pretty much want to get all the information and do some analytics or what have you. So this is still useful, but if you want to get some specific filtered information, the Zoho Analytics is very, very useful. So this is what I did. So pretty much in Zoho Analytics, which you're going to have Zoho 1 in order to do this, you create what is called a summary. So summary view, this is what we're currently working on. You can probably do it on other, like a pivot view probably, but this is what I used. So pretty much you can select the parameters you want. So in this case, he's doing the first name and the month and year was created. And what you do, you just go right there and export this, and boom, you can select CVS Excel file, and you're going to get an Excel file downloaded that's going to have pretty much 2 columns with this information in there. And you can filter this out whatever way you want. And the Zoho Analytics is going to update every 3 hours. Unless you have Zoho Flow and you can trigger certain stuff to update instantly. I might do another video on how to do that. But other than that, it's going to be every 3 hours. You're going to have Zoho Analytics do a sync, unless you have it for a larger extent of time. There's a minimum time frame. And yeah, you can get your exports. In this case, for example, we have the sales reps that they use certain maps in their regions. So if a specific customer comes in, they need to have these maps available. And the 2-week period was too long. Apparently there were too many changes happening and they wanted an updated map. What we agreed on, well, I was told to do, we do want to have like on a weekly basis. So weekly basis, it should be the sweet spot for it to update the map. So if we do the exports on Zoho with the CRM, it's going to be useless because I can't filter out the data. And if we do the data backups, it's only 2 per month, so have maybe a 2-week period. We want it sooner. So this is a nice little solution I created. Pretty sure someone else is going to have this exact same problem. And there you go. I figured it out for you.